Hey guys, it's the Average Joe back with another video. And today's iPhone 14 launch day. 3 out of the 4 iPhone 14s that were announced were launched today. I was able to pre-order and get myself a iPhone 14 Pro Max in space black with 256 gigs of storage. So I'm excited to get into this. I have a bunch of other cases and accessories that are on the way, so if you please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification so when those go live you'll know and you'll get to see what I'm reviewing, and hopefully those will help you out with your accessory purchase making decisions. Without any further ado, let's get right into it. Let me know down in the comment below, which iPhone 14 did you upgrade to, or maybe you didn't, I don't know, but let's unbox this guy. So very minimal packaging. Apple for a while has done away with the shrink wrap, so you got the pull tabs right here, top and bottom, nice and simple. And we'll just pull this down, and there we go, the iPhone 14 Pro Max in all of its glory. Let's just get this out, and all right, there we go. So we'll set that aside. You know, you just get the standard paperwork, and you get the USB Type-C to Lightning cable. Obviously, they stopped sending out the power bricks with their phones. So with that, let's put the box away to the side, and here we go. Let's just turn it on so we get an idea of what it looks like when we first boot it up. There's the Apple logo. And we are met with the dynamic island and the hello screen. And this is my iPhone 12 Pro Max, without a case on. It's about this. It's, you know, the dimensions are pretty much the same. As you can see, it's a lot darker than the graphite, which I love. And let's kind of compare the cameras. And the camera, wow, it's really huge compared to the 12 Pro Max. But yeah, everything else is basically, I think it's the same. There isn't really a lot of difference. They did switch to the eSIM, so there is no more eSIM SIM tray in the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The sensor here for the 5G antenna got bigger, actually. Not sure how it was on the 13 Pro Max because I don't have that phone. I skipped that one. So yeah, that's a little size comparison. But yeah, I'm gonna get this set up and start enjoying the phone. I hope you guys enjoy the phones that you got, and stay tuned, stay subscribed for more videos. All right, have a good one, guys. Take it easy.